What's up, guys? It's Anthony from McGee's Garage. A little update on my buddy Isaac's Toyota Tacoma. When he just got it back from the wrap shop, drove up to South Carolina and back to our buddy Kauai Motorsports. Their link will be in the description. He did the install and design this wrap. Went with purple matte chrome. Is it matte chrome or satin chrome? Satin chrome. As you can see, we finished up the wide body install, and this truck's sitting pretty nice. It's nice and wide. He's got Deaver springs and some locked shocks going to this bed cage in the back. Right now we're installing some rock lights. Here's the front end. Pretty nasty little truck on a long travel. Here's the skid plate. It's one of my favorite parts there. We're gonna be, this truck and my ReZero Ranger are gonna be at Hallmat, a anime convention, and there's also a large Itasha car showcase, which is basically just cars with anime stickers on them. Of course, this fits in really nice. We're trying to get it ready right now. Hopefully the wheels come in on time so we can get new wheels on the truck. Yeah, look at this wide body. It's a Fiberworks wide body. Shout out POR in Leesburg for doing the Patriot liner in this. Got all up underneath too, so rocks don't kick up and crack the wide body. Right, Isaac?
What?
Shout out to POR for doing the Patriot liner.
Indeed.
Yeah, they
take it back to them actually to do some more.
Yeah, they hooked them up pretty good.
Decided to do not much research on the rear, and because I have a heavy offset, and I went with the recommended 2-inch spacers. It's a little too wide.
Right.
I'm gonna smash the fender when it comes up because the tire was probably gonna come up to here more or less.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna smash it because I'm like level with the actual fender itself.
And what's the travel on the rear end?
Straps, I'm sitting at close to 16. I think it's about 16 and a half.
Right. And what's the travel on the front end?
12 if I'm not mistaken.
Right.
Could be a little bit more, could be less. The limit straps on both the front and the back haven't really been broken into much, so.
Yeah, we gotta fix that.
They need to be broken in, yes.
Yeah. So you gotta get the spacers.
Yes,
and
I have the new wheels that are coming in, which are going to sit about a 1/4 inch farther in. That paired with a 1.5 inch spacer for the rear instead of 2, should sit me perfectly in the rear to not have to worry about it at all.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and tuck them instead of just ripping the fender off.
I don't want to rip that fender off. That was too much work.
Yeah, too much work for me. Yeah, I was on this rear fender with a flap disc for like 45 minutes. Here, let's look at the. Yeah, sand it down because it was too small in some places and too big in the others. The interior, he's a big fan of the patches. This guy's got more patches than anybody I know. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Hide that one real quick.
Yeah.
There.
What you got? Oh, I like, hold on, let me look at this one. I like that one.
It's a VTuber.
Yeah, I watch VTubers.
You play Helldivers 2?
No, I don't really play video games. Oh, dude, where did you get this? Where did you get that
one? I'll get you the link in a little while.
Okay.
Oh, you see the little Toyota?
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
But yeah, guys, just a little short video. We're just trying to get some prep done, and like always, I'm just super busy. So, I'm trying to put the videos out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video if you enjoyed it and want to see more of this build and other builds like it.
We'll personally run over your car.
Depends on the car, but yeah. Yeah.
Any car.
Don't let me find out you watch one of my videos and didn't subscribe. Be bad. But anyway, guys, that'll be it for today's video. We got to get back to work.